I'm really excited. I'm glad you guys joined me today. If you haven't got little prep bowls at home, I want you to do that. I want you to buy some prep bowls to make everything a lot easier. You know, I don't understand people that think cooking is stressful. Cooking is stressful if you make it stressful, folks. It's really that simple. You know, if you have everything prepped ahead of time, it wouldn't be stressful. It'd just be, okay, read the ingredients. What's the next one? Go in, put that one in, have a little sip of wine. It doesn't have to be stressful. You're making it stressful by not prepping ahead of time, by not being prepared. Now, I don't know what you guys do for a living, but pretend you worked in an office, okay? Let's just pretend that. You worked in an office and you came to your office, and if every morning when you come to your office, you had to search for a desk. You're running around the building, okay, where's the desk? Where's the desk? And you wheel a desk into your office. Oh, I need a chair. Oh, you're looking for a chair. Oh, I need a computer. And you go, I need a telephone. I need a pen. I need a piece of paper. Oh my goodness, your day would be so stressful, but it's not like that. If you work in an office, you come into your office, you have your desk, you have your chair, you have your computer, you have your telephone, you have your pens and pencils, you have everything right there that you need already. It's called being prepared for the day. So to prepare for a meal, you do the same thing. You chop everything, portion it out, measure everything. Then when it comes time to the cooking process, there's no stress. There's none at all. And I'll tell you something, and you might be mad at me for telling you this, cooking's not going away, folks. Unless you win the lotto on Friday, you're going to be cooking for the rest of your lives. So you better embrace it, because what else have you got to do? You got to eat food anyway. You have a kitchen there in your home anyway. Win the lotto and hire me. I'll cook for you every day. How about that? I'll move into your basement and I'll cook for you breakfast, lunch, and supper. I don't know how my wife will feel about that, but we'll work around that when that happens, all right?